Good afternoon, my beautiful babies. Welcome back to Mama. What's Mama cooking? I'm just here washing my ribs and pulling the skin off. That little skin will make it tough to cook. But now, if you take the skin off, and it'll be all right. I'm just washing it. My slab of ribs, and I'm gonna make barbecue spare ribs with collard greens and Jiffy cornbread. Now I'm pouring some lime juice over it, just to wash it a little bit, get off all that yuckiness. And I'm gonna get some of this fat off. Fat off. Just clean it up a little bit, because you want it to cook up good, cook up even. Just take all this off like extra. Pull all that off, because you don't need that. Some people use it, but you don't really need it. And then I'm gonna put it in a pan, and I'm gonna season it up. It's gonna be all right. Yeah, now. Put it over here in this pan that I lined with aluminum foil. Wash my hands. You gotta keep your hands clean because you don't want to cross-contaminate. Putting that on the floor. And stuff like that. Wash off my bottle. Lime juice.
Oh, I'm gonna edit this part out.
No, we gotta show them, dude.
Oh, what? Live up on that. And then I'm wash my hands. And what they still come home with them.
Now I'm gonna season it with a little bit of adobo. Some barbecue seasoning. Don't put too much because this here is kind of salty. Some onion powder. Some black pepper. Some garlic. Paprika for color. I should have put the holes in first, but it don't matter. I'm gonna rub it in. I already set my oven to 355. barbecue sauce. You can use any kind you want, but I use this. That's alright, because I'm about finished with this bottle. Put it in the oven. And let it cook. For about, I want to say, about 2 hours on 355. And then you come back and look at it. If it's not ready, you pick it with a fork to see if it's soft. If it's not, put it in for another hour. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm just putting my frozen collard greens because I don't like to cut them up anymore. I used to do that when I was younger. I don't do that anymore. So put some frozen collard greens in here in my pot and cook it all thick. If it spill out, I'll clean it up later. Oh, it did. Water. It's gonna make its own water, but you gotta start it off with a little bit of water. Pieces of neck bones, and down in there, the seasoning, paprika, season salt, black pepper, y'all know those usual seasonings. And I do add vinegar. Some vinegar in there. Put as much as you want. I like mine to have a little vinegar bite to it. We need some sugar. Cover this. Come to a boil and then stir it up and let this cook for about 2 to 3 hours. Start it out on high. When it comes to a boil, reduce it to medium low. Okay, I'll be right back. It's been 2 hours, so I took out the ribs and I just put the finished putting the barbecue sauce over it. So I'm gonna stick it back in the oven and let it get really like cooked onto the ribs. And that's it. Okay. I'll be right back when I make my cornbread. Okay, babies, I'm back. I'm gonna make the cornbread mix. And it's Jiffy. I'm using 2 boxes. It calls for 1/3 cup, so I gotta do it 2 times. When I'm baking, I measure for precisely because I don't want to mess it up. Yeah. Just 2 eggs. Put some sugar. Sweet. We stir it up. Make sure that's coated. I'm on the edges and everything. Make sure it's coated. Now pour it in. I'll pour it in here. Out. Got a spatula is better, but you preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and when I come back, I'm gonna plate the cornbread, the greens, and the ribs. I'll be back. The cornbread is out of the oven. I'm just putting the butter on. I like the butter to soak in. Okay. Cut it. Piece of ribs. Cornbread, and then collard greens. There it is. Barbecue spare rib, Jiffy cornbread, and collard greens with smoked neck bones. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my daughter's channel, to Kaya Monet. Oh, Kaya Monet. I'm sorry, I said her whole name. My name is Kaya Monet. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.